Like this video if you saw Rihanna's hair at the Grammys. I mean, her hair was just amazing. Her hair was just so voluminous and it was big and curly and just beautiful. So I had to create this look for you guys if you guys are looking to create the same look. If you continue to watch this video, I will have a tutorial on how I create this look and you guys can see what I do and tips. It's really simple and it's really quick and it just makes your hair just super glamorous and big for whatever you want to do, you know, I know Valentine's Day is coming up. If you want to go out on the night, if you want to just look super glammed up, you can definitely create this quick look. Stay tuned. You can use any curling wand. I'm using this one. I got it from Walmart for about $30, so anyone will work. I'm putting it on 400 degrees just because I want to be able to curl it and just let it get hot really quickly so I don't have to hold it for too long. I'm going to be using a comb just to comb out the hair. I'm also going to be using some clips. You will need some clips just to hold the hair back, you know, just to kind of get it out of the way. And last but not least, you will need some hairspray. I'm using Paul Mitchell hairspray. It's a really strong hold and it's called Hold Me Tight, but you can use any hairspray, anything that will hold the curls. I'm going to take some pieces about this thickness and just grab it. Grab my comb. And just comb through it. And I'm gonna grab my curling iron. I'm gonna wrap it around and pull it back around, just like this. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Scrunch it up and let it go. I'm going to take another piece, comb through it, wrap it around, scrunch it, and let it go. So I don't know if you guys saw Rihanna's 2018 Grammy look. This look is going to be very similar to it. This is pretty much the way he created it. Probably just used the curling wand and just use some hairspray and comb through the hair just to create a really big voluminous look. Now just know if you want big hair, you're definitely gonna need about 4 bundles of hair. At least 4 bundles of hair just to make your hair big, because it's not gonna work if you keep it, if you only use like 2 bundles. Alright you guys, so I finished doing the curls. This isn't the finished look. If you want, you can keep it like this, but I want it to be more natural looking and not so formed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray one more time. Just spray all around. Pick up the curls, spray it. Now that I'm done spraying, I am going to just kind of take the curls and separate them. I'm actually going to start over here. Just take a ringlet and just separate the curls. And this is what makes the look like really big, is when you separate the curls. You see how it's like getting bigger? Okay, so now we're gonna do this side. so bouncy and big, and it's just more glamorous. It's full of life. Super big and pretty. So I hope this tutorial was pretty easy. Like I said, just get your curling wand, make like about 2-inch pieces of hair, wrap it around the wand, and then hairspray, which is very important. Hairspray is super important because it holds the curl, and then it just also creates volume. So don't forget your hairspray when you're doing this look, and just hairspray it before you separate it, just to give it a little extra boost. And yeah, that's it. You can also another way to create volume is to lift the hair up and just spray in between. Lift the hair up and spray in between. That just kind of keeps it up. It just creates more volume. You see what I mean? See how big it is? Ooh. I mean big, okay? Yes. So pretty. I love it. So if you like this video, just please let me know below in the comments. If you aren't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to me. Press subscribe below. Also, if you want to get in contact with me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram at Whitney N. Hawkins. You can also follow my hair company where you can get this hair at WH Hair Collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I will be having another video next week. So just stay tuned. And if no one told you they love you, just know that I love you and God loves you too.